Hi, Shane here. Welcome to this video. If you're searching for ways to save on gas, you've come to the right place. I love to save on everything, but let's talk about gas because that's something we all spend frequently, right? And especially if you have like an SUV or you got a big car, it's a big deal. I'm in California, so we have like some of the highest gas prices in the country, so I feel ya. So let me just give some tips. Well, first of all, you can save on gas by going to belonging to like Costco, or Sam's Club. There's a lot of these stores now when you're a member that they give you cheap gas along with your membership. So those are places. There's a lot of apps on, if you have a smartphone, you can search on an app. You can search for the cheapest gas stations in the local area. But I'll tell you what, I want to give you a huge tip. Because I know you're thinking about gas because that's what you spend all the time. It's a recurring expense. But there's a lot of recurring expenses we have, right? Like groceries and like all kinds of stuff that we have to continuously spend money on, like gas. I want you to be able to save on a lot more than just gas. So I have to reveal this to you. I literally just found out myself. I found a company that gives us, you and I, cash back, massive cash back. Not 2 to 3% that our credit cards are giving us. I'm talking 7, 10%, 20%, even 30% cash back at some stores. So this company allows us to get cash back at all these name brand stores that we're already spending money at. Stores that we know and love like Walmart, Target, Best Buy. I book travel on Pricelines on there. I get 11% cash back on Priceline when I book a rental car or hotel. What else? Apple Store. I'm getting 7% cash back when I buy a laptop for $3,000. I get $210 back. Isn't that nuts? I'm like, Shane, where have you been? I love to save money and I don't hide under a rock, but nobody has told me about this company until recently. So I'm so excited because I'm saving all this money now and I'm like telling my friends, and I want to reveal this to you. And by the way, tell your friends, because why should any of us have to pay extra to these companies if we can get cash back? So I'll reveal this now. Go to my website. The link is below this video. In the description section, just click on the link below the video and it'll take you there. But my website is www.lifewithshane.com. www.lifewithshane.com. Huge nugget for you. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.